Hello guys! Today a video about the project that may be able to get funding from NEM Community Fund. I am speaking about Copyright Bank. I am hosting today one of the creator of this project, David. So David, could you introduce yourself and the project Copyright Bank that you work on?
Hi, I'm David O, and I'm one of the founders of Copyright Bank. I've been involved in the intellectual property and intellectual asset management industry for more than 20 years. 10 years ago, my partners and I at the time, we had this idea for Copyright Bank, but I was not very satisfied with the state of technology then. So it was only a couple of months ago when I heard Lon and Jeff share about the NEM blockchain, and immediately I knew that the NEM blockchain would be perfect to build Copyright Bank, and that's what we have done here.
Thanks. Yes, NEM is widely implemented into decentralized solution regarding notarization because of its apostille feature. Let's say I want to vote in favor of funding Copyright Bank. What actions do I need to take? When this vote will start?
We have just submitted the proposal, the community funding proposal, onto the NEM forum. So for a couple of days, people can interact, ask questions on the forum. And on the 23rd of October, the poll will go live all the way to the 26th of October. So we want to encourage the NEM community to support us, and you can vote for our proposal through the Nano Wallet. Just go straight down to the voting section, polls, and look for Copyright Bank proposal, and please vote for us.
Okay, of course, if you will be able to gather enough votes to fund it, the money needed to reach another milestone will be distributed from NEM Foundation account. So for people that voted, they aren't losing any ZEM. It's not an ICO. So I have another question. These projects seem to be very similar to Luckstack, also running campaign on the forum, having milestones, using apostiles. Are you in contact with apostille creators like Jeff McDonald in particular?
Yes, essentially, the NEM blockchain has got a few important components like the mosaics, namespaces, and apostille. And that is what we have built Copyright Bank on, which is the apostille, which is very similar to what Luckstack is doing. But I guess Luckstack is focusing more on the real world, on physical items, on supply chain of luxury goods and so on. But we are solely focusing on digital works. Yes, we've been in touch with Jeff throughout this process of developing the beta. And, he's so helpful. I think as a person who has created Apostille, he's really given us a lot of pointers. And he's our inspiration, actually. And we are glad that we have been able to consult him.
Nice! You were saying that there is a demo beta version out there. How can one use it?
So the beta testing phase for Copyright Bank is now live. And we encourage the NEM community members to come and try out the platform, see what it's all about. So just go to beta.copyrightbank.com. And when you scroll down the screen, you will see sign up for a free account. So just click on that, put in your email, your password, and we'll preload your account with 4 tokens, so you can do 4 transactions. So try to register 2 copyrights, try to verify 2, just to see how the system is like. And we're looking forward to some feedback from you guys.
Great. Being honest, I used it. I believe that for now it is just remake of the apostille version from Nano Wallet, but with dedicated graphical user interface. Which I like. Original Nano Wallet apostiles seem to be little too hard to use for non-developers. The interface is just hard to use. While creating this product for masses or businesses, you need to take the user experience into the consideration. Also, what I like that you use tokens and each token represents one action in the system. So it's either registration or validation. I really like it as the client doesn't need to worry about buying ZEMs. Clients could be totally isolated from NEM platform by your interface. Copyright Bank project is currently at the milestone number 1. Do you work towards milestone number 2 already? What features of this milestone have you implemented?
Yes, so right now we are at milestone 1. And this is where we've just launched the beta phase to test the basic functionality of our platform, and also to put up the community proposal. We are hoping that we get the support of the NEM community, and once we get the funding, we can move on to milestone 2, which is to actually complete the web platform by building the payment backend, and we've got to do some security layering with a hot wallet, cold wallet, and so on, and then we can basically launch it. And once it's launched, it's available globally. So we're really excited to move on to the next phase, and with the help of the NEM community, we know that we can really achieve this.
Okay, that seems legit. Do you have any last words for the viewers?
I believe all of us know how great the NEM blockchain is, but a lot of people out there in the world, they don't really know. So what we need is more use cases, more practical business applications built onto the NEM blockchain. And we believe that the corporate bank is a great way to showcase what the NEM blockchain can do. We are only at phase 1. We're thinking of doing a mobile app. We're thinking of adding the smart asset features into the next phase of the web platform. We're going to look at white labeling our platform for governments. We're also looking for enterprise clients, as well as content creation, hosting websites. So actually, there's a huge market for what we're building here, and it's going to benefit the entire NEM community. So if you vote for us and you help us to fund this project, it's going to benefit everyone, because it's going to give NEM more exposure with more transactions through our platform. More ZEMs are going to be used, and everyone is going to benefit from an increased demand in ZEMs. And also, we are also going to offer some bounties from the funding for NEM community members who can bring connections with enterprises or governments to look at our solution. So we're all in this together, and I hope that we can get the support of everyone and to see this vision and this dream come to pass. Thank you very much.
Thank you, David. And I am completely agreeing with you on this case. A few days ago, I read an article about issuance of diplomas for graduating MIT and storing it on the blockchain. How was it made? As I investigated the case, it came out that those diplomas were hashed, and hash was stored as an OP return code on Bitcoin blockchain. So this solution costs a lot and is really hard to be exploitable and not editable. That's why I thought that this company is moving into Ethereum slowly, and Apostille is explorable and editable. That's why I like seeing those projects running on Apostille feature. This is under-marketed solution of NEM. Okay, thanks for watching. Of course, I am voting for yes. If you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe if you are not, and see you later. Bye!